Hello and welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to delete your SoundCloud account directly from your Android phone, whether you're taking a break or leaving the platform permanently. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and simply. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any step. Open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Library. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Account option. Inside the Account section, tap on Delete Account. A confirmation page will appear. Tap again on Delete Account to proceed. Finally, confirm the action by tapping Delete My Account. Your SoundCloud account will now be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this helped you delete your SoundCloud account with ease. For more helpful guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with our channel.